Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm back from a big holiday. We needed the break, as everybody does now and then. But I'm back and I'm kind of really struggling to get back into it, even though I absolutely love my art. I don't know. I think I need a holiday to get over my holiday. Well, anyway, this is going to be a lovely earthy metallics on this sort of black blue base on this large round canvas, and I am just so pleased with the results of this one. Just needed to do something kind of more earthy, because that's what we've been visiting, the land. So it gave me a little bit of inspiration. So I hope you watch along, and I'll just jump in where I feel I need to. Enjoy, please.
Or reach out my hand, watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold, while I'm singing this song to myself.
So the colours are metallic gold, metallic silver, metallic copper, and then white.
My jeans on the fence, this iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself, I sing this softly to myself. I'm waking up early again, sitting alone and listening, and there is no separation from you in the end. I sing this softly to myself, I sing this softly to myself.
The blowout, actually, the chaos blow, as I like to call them, because mine are never just, they are always chaos. That's beautiful in itself, and most people would see that it probably didn't need anything else, but of course I want to gillify it and make it my own, and I'm going to do my little touch with my colour combos that I get a lot of people say, what on earth did you do there? And then they see the end piece and said that they were, say they were glad that they held on to watch the whole process. So this is no different, because I was second guessing myself when I put that teal and the very pale teal, which was white with that same teal added to it. That was the lighter colour. And I thought, what am I doing? But it absolutely worked beautifully. I was so happy with it, and it is really nice, sort of wispy and light. It lifted my spirits, that's for sure.
I can't bear to hold, while I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence, this iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself, I sing this softly to myself. waking up early again, sitting alone and listening, and there is no separation from you in the end. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this soft.
So now it's just the fluffing up that I like to do to sort of define bits and bobs in there. And I mean, if it, as it's drying, I feel it needs a little bit more, I will go in and add a bit more too. Even when it's dried, if I want to go over with Posca pens to outline something, that's a really nice therapeutic thing to do too. So I am super duper happy with this one. What do you guys think? I'll show you at the end the dry results, but of course I'm just going to keep on fluffing away. I hope you're all enjoying your own art journey, and I hope that you are getting away from the crazy social media of all the craziness that's happening in the world at the minute. I just have to take myself away from it all and paint. Do something that gives you joy. Don't let it fill your head with, well, you never know now what's real or not real. So this is the real deal. So hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you haven't subscribed. Please do so. Hit the notification bell. And if you'd like to give me a like and a little comment, it always helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Not that I understand that one little bit, but take care. There will be a bonus video coming up, something a bit more brighter.
Tore up my jeans on the fence.
A different composition today. I'm going to split it this away. That is the real bright red paint that I'm doing on one side, and I'll spread that out with my sponge brush all nice and evenly, hopefully. You can do the sides of your canvas at this point, or you can leave it till the end. It all depends.
Can't sleep, but